Hello guys, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian Akara and Akamu. Okay, this is actually a typical breakfast in Nigeria, especially on Saturday morning. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Here I have my beans already peeled, and here I have some pepper with it and onion, and I'm going to go ahead to blend that. I want to ensure that the paste is thick, just like what you're seeing here. You don't want a watery paste, okay? And now I'm going to whisk that till it's fluffy. I want to do that with a whisk or with a spatula. And when I've gotten the consistency that I want, I'll be adding my seasoning, mix, mix, mix. Then I check out for the taste to know the quantity of salt to add. Then that's exactly what I did. So I just added my salt now and I'll mix again. Also, I'll be adding chopped onion to that. And you might skip that if you don't like it, but I love seeing that. I love seeing some chunk of onion inside my akara. And to a hot oil now, I'll be, scooping in my akara one after the other. And you can see the way I was scooping it in anyway. So I want you to pay attention to that. And when it's fried for like 2 minutes or so, or till it's golden brown away, so you flip to the other side, and yeah, you skip it out and your akara is ready. Okay. So, and I want you to also know that when you are making the next batch, ensure that you mix your batter again so that everything can be well incorporated before you start frying again. And that's what I did, and the second batch of macara is ready. Can you see how nice it looks? And yeah, to the akamu now. This is an homemade akamu, so I've already dissolved it, and it's no longer having lumps. But with the commercial one as well, just add water and dissolve it as well. And yeah, to my hot water now, to boiling water, I'm going to, pour in my akamu paste bit by bit, and you want to ensure that you keep stirring, don't remove your hand, just keep stirring without stopping, okay, so that you not end up having lumps in your akamu. Now this is me adding more water to the akamu as well. So you want to mix that. And another thing I want you to pay attention to is to add enough water in the beginning that can take the akamu, you understand, so that you not have lumps. That is also important. So this is me adding sugar to my akamu because I like adding sugar while I'm still, cooking it on the fire. And yeah, that's just what I did. And our akara and akamu is ready. I just serve it. I added some milk, and just serve it the way you want it and enjoy. So this is it, guys. Our breakfast is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.